I have discovered that the nacelle fits very snugly into this right side strong back here. So I intend to take this strong back, fit it onto the secondary hull, like so, and then take just one peg. All right, fit the nacelle in. Don't try and jam it in there, though. Not yet. Come on. Come on. All right. Now, if you slide it onto the stand, is the ship going to stay level? No, it rocks a bit. Okay. So, what you do now, let's take the clamps off that one nacelle. Let's place it. Okay, how am I going to do this here? Let's see here. That is level. This is the best field test I can do. All right. Strut is level. The nacelle is leaning. Yeah, I was afraid of that. The strut is still leaning. Look. It may be completely there. That's level. But look at that. All right, just a minute here. Is it level front and back? Yes. Is it level side to side? No. You see? The strut is still... But the thing is, that is so strange. I mean, it is aligned with the piece, right? Isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, not quite. It's still... All right. It's still not quite aligned. So I had to resort to taping it down again, just so it would work. Okay, so that piece is in place. Now it's going to be harder to tape down this piece because it's... there you go. All right, here we go. Just got to make sure that the part where the neck fits in place is not destroyed. Because if the neck fits on it up and down and it still works, then that is a good thing. But if it doesn't for some unknown reason, then that is absolutely evil. But this is the only way I can think of to get the parts in place as a test fit without damaging them. And approximating the appropriate alignment of the parts, front and back, side to side, etc., so that I can fit the neck in place without interference. Now, let me see if this actually aligns correctly. Okay. All right. Well, all right. Neck, nacelle. Neck and nacelle. Remember, this is a perspective view, of course. Well, there's only one more thing to try. Give me one moment. We've got to attach the neck into the bottom saucer and verify the alignment that way. Don't worry, any paint smudges or anything will not be visible. All right, good. Okay. Oh, come on. I know you're not taped down, but come on. This is just a field test. I mean, I don't want to glue them in place, or I'd glue the strong backs in place first before I test the bottom saucer. Ugh. I mean, the tape isn't going to hold it. I know that. So let's at least hold it manually, put it on the stand and take a look. All right. Front and back. No, the nacelle just doesn't look right. I don't know why. It doesn't appear to be sagging that much. I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh, come on. Yeah, you're not going to get a good... I mean, I know the strut links with the nacelle. I know that. It's just not working because the weight of the nacelle is too much for the strut. So I'm just going to have to wait until everything is filled in. I mean, I'm kind of impatient, I know, to get to the point where I can find out if the nacelle and the strut will stay in place. But this is the most important part of the ship build, so you can't rush it. And you got to be patient because you might only have one chance to get it right, and once the glue sets, you'll never have a chance to get it right. And as you can see, this strut here, this nacelle, see? It flops in place. It just won't stay in place, and that would be even harder with the weight of a nacelle strut in there. But I mean, this is as snug as you can get it, okay? And if you put it on the ship like that, I mean, that's pretty level, but that nacelle still looks like it's leaning up and it's leaning out. But the thing is, that nacelle is as snug to the strut as it can be. And I'm trying to move it, it won't move. It won't move. It won't come up anymore. Now I will try to brace it when it's on the ship with something else, and we'll see if we can get it right. That's as far as I go for now. But because it's in there nice and snug, I can at least glue that. So I will do that now. I will glue that to the strong back. Yeah, because you don't want the strong back. No, wait a minute. You're never going to get the strong back to get on the back of the ship unless it isn't glued. And just for argument's sake, let's try the other strut on that. That won't fit. It won't fit in at all. It's pretty snug, yeah. And then you fit this one on the other strong back, even though it's the wrong strong back for it. But you see how it's loose? Yeah, okay. All right, but I think there's one thing I can do that will actually work. And that is putting the front nacelle scoops in place. So actually, there we go. It's going to be a lot easier to put the nacelle scoops in place if I don't have anything in the way. So let's try that. Okay, so we remove all the clamps, put the bottom saucer away for now. Yeah, if you want to get the Enterprise refit done correctly. You cannot rush things because this is a smoothie build. This is the motion picture refit, and I don't want anything to go wrong. And don't worry about that. Now I know it's not, what would you call it? Grilled in there, but if you look at all the decals I have, you will see the nacelle grills from Federation Models. So inside, outside, 2011. So you don't have to worry about a thing. I've got what I need. So, time to do the gluing here. So first, we put the glue in on the ledges. And then we put it above, like here, on either side, and down. Then we take the piece and we put glue all along the underside, like so. And then you slide it in place onto its ledges. So there's the ledges, there's the piece. Come on, it's got to be about there. Good, excellent. There you go. Now, so there is the assembled nacelle. Good. With the ridge on the outside, you know it is the starboard nacelle. Okay, and then you do the same with the port nacelle. So first, you do the railings, you do the underside, you do underneath on either side, then you do the part itself. Now I know there is a seam on the kit part, but it fit in best and didn't try and force the nacelle halves apart. So I'm defaulting to the kit part. Just because. Oh, come on now. Oh, don't go in crooked now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. You were doing so well. Come on. There. That was a satisfying snap. Good. So that is the port nacelle done. So if we take a look at our progress here, port and starboard nacelles are fully assembled just in time for this video to end. So we'll see you here next time.